Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Pick a claw clip about 3-5 inches wide for most long hair types. Hold the clip open with one hand while you gather hair with the other. Start with dry or slightly damp hair for best grip and control. Brush hair fully to remove tangles and evenly distribute natural oils. Section hair mentally into top and bottom halves before styling. This preparation prevents slipping and creates a smooth, long-lasting hold. Gather hair at the nape and twist upward into a tight roll to mid-head. Keep the twist compact and hold the ends inside the roll to hide them. Flip the twisted roll upward and secure it with the open clip so teeth face downward. Push the clip gently until it grips both hair layers firmly. Adjust loose pieces and pull face framing strands to soften the look and create balance. Section the top half of hair and gather it at crown level for a half-up style. Hold that section lightly and either twist or loop it loosely for volume. Position the clip with the claws facing down and clamp over the looped hair. Tug small sections outward slightly to create a relaxed, messy texture. Loosen strands for texture and use a few pins to secure stubborn sections when needed for longer wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.